Hello, Anirudh and Victor. We are just waiting for other participants to join. We'll wait for 5 minutes more and then we will start. Hello, everyone. Greetings of the day. Might be good afternoon or good morning to the participants located at specific areas. This is Saurabh from sales team of Vidushi Infotech, and today I'm going to present on the topic optimizing product listings on Amazon. So, without wasting a time, let's start with our presentation. I'm sharing the screen. Before moving ahead, I would like to just check the health. Are you all able to hear me? If yes, then just send yes in the chat. So I'll come to know that you are able to hear me, and then we will proceed with our presentation. Thank you, Victor. That's great. So let's start with our webinar, Optimize Your Amazon Product Listings. Before we start, let's find out some fascinating facts about Amazon. Currently, Amazon has more than 1.9 million active sellers. It means it is a big platform. It is ruling the shopping sites world, shopping application world. 9 out of 10 consumers price check a product on Amazon before purchasing it physically in the market. And if they find lower price at Amazon, definitely they're going to buy on Amazon. Amazon collects over a third of seller revenue, bringing in 121, that is $121 billion in 2021. It's a huge amount. Amazon workers ship out more than 66,000 orders every hour. That is 18.5 orders per second and 1,110 every minute. The total number of packages shipped by Amazon daily is around 1.6 million. So you can imagine the scope of Amazon. In just 1 month, Amazon.com received 2.7 billion visits. Again, that's a huge amount for any website. Amazon has a footprint around the world with 17 different international marketplaces. They have their footprints in 17 different countries all over the world. These are really fascinating facts, we can say. What is Amazon listing optimization? Amazon listing optimization is the process of upgrading product pages to improve their search visibility, click-through rate, that is CTR, and conversion rate, we call it as a CR, and finally generate more sales. Obviously, if someone is selling on Amazon, that person expects more sales. This process includes keyword discovery, optimizing listing text and image content, and increasing number of reviews. In fact, this is one of the most important things you should do as a seller or vendor on Amazon. In this presentation, we introduce some of the key approaches for product optimization. These are as follows: search terms, content, reviews, and question and answer. Search term consists of keyword research and on-page activities. Content, that means product information, the text related to product, and the product images. And reviews and question and answers. Reviews submitted by buyers who have bought product on Amazon, they submit their review whether they like the product or service or not. And question and answer, generally buyers ask some specific questions related to product in the question and answers section. We are going to discuss this thoroughly in next few slides. Amazon ranking optimization. The point, optimize keywords. You can say it as a SEO practice. For a product to appear in Amazon search, the product listing must contain the searched keyword. Without it, the customer will not see your product. The first rule in keyword optimization, therefore, is simple. Include all the relevant keywords on your product page. Plan enough time to conduct thorough keyword research to find these relevant keywords. You can say keywords are the soul of Amazon search engine. If you don't have related keywords on your Amazon page, the buyer won't see your product if he searches for it. So keyword optimization, first important point in Amazon ranking optimization. Some product listing points. It consists product title, backend keywords, bullet points and product description, other keyword types, and some more specific details. We'll go through it one by one. Product title. You should pay more attention to craft a descriptive yet readable title, because the buyer is going to search your product by this title only. And if you don't have the relatable descriptive title for your product, the Amazon search engine won't able to find that product for that particular buyer. So we have to make sure that our title of the product is relatable, easily findable for the buyer who is looking for that. Next point is backend keywords. We can add up to 249 bytes of other important keywords in search terms. It is also known as generic keywords. But we have to take precaution. If you use more than 249 bytes, Amazon is not going to index those keywords. It is a little bit technical term. While listing the product, you can see the image below. Amazon asked for these backend keywords. We can submit the related keywords with our product only. Sometimes one product has some synonyms, or it is called something else in the same language. So we can add these synonyms and similar keywords while submitting our product listing. Next comes bullet points and product description. Here we can place more keywords, but only if it doesn't disrupt the informative clarity of the product text. Bullet points can be a detailed description which is given point by point. It can have USPs of the product. It can have the features of that product. It can contain utility of that product. So we can add as much as relatable information in these bullet points and product description. Product listing points continued. Some other keyword types. Some products allow the definition of additional keyword types, such as target audience, For example, men or women. If a user searches denim jeans for men, so men, it can be considered as a keyword. We have to consider it as a keyword. So while if you are selling something specific for age group, for gender, then we can add these other keywords while listing our products on Amazon. Another example, we can say newborn baby dress or newborn baby t-shirt. So newborn, it is an age group. So we can add these keywords while listing our product. Next point, moving more details. We can assign additional product information such as material type. We should fill this information as thoroughly as possible because customers can access it via the filter navigation and specific product finders. Example is given below. If you are searching for refrigerator and you want the refrigerator with a specific capacity, so you can see the filter over here to a 12.9 or 13 to 18.9. So likewise, if we take another example, if we take example of formal shirts, we can have size L, size XL, size medium, size double XL. So these are the more details of your product. If the product is available in various types, like in various colors, various sizes, various capacity. So these are the details which we have to submit while listing our products on Amazon. Amazon listing optimization benefits. Altogether, content optimization can increase the click-through rate, that is CTR, in the search result and the conversion rate, that is CR, on the product page. Both in turn contribute to an increase in sales and thus a higher ranking. The infographic is shown below. Your main image title, attributes, description, and the images of your product. If all these points, all these attributes are submitted correctly and as per the search engine requirement norms, then you are going to get higher click-through rate and higher conversion rate. Higher CTR and higher CR results into more sales. And if you are selling more, obviously Amazon is going to rank you at better position. This cycle continues. If you sell more, the rank gets better, and the rank gets better, automatically your sale increases. So we have to focus on optimizing all the related attributes of our products like image, title, description, key features, and other backend keywords. This is the example of Amazon product page. This contains mainly product information, product text, and images. You can see at the top of the page, you can see the title. The next important thing which influences buyer's decision, that is price. It is shown there. Next, you can see attributes. You can add key features, utilities, USPs of the particular product. You can see the image, which is very clear with the white background. It is easily recognizable that this is a chair. Below that, you can see question and answer section. Here, Buyers or users of Amazon can ask some specific product related questions, and other users or the seller or the vendor can answer those questions. Below that review section, you can see nowadays reviews are the most important factor if we consider faithfulness of any product. Higher the ranking, higher the reviews, the product is that much popular, we can say. So always seller or vendor has to focus on getting maximum reviews and 4+ stars on Amazon. The products with higher reviews and 4+ stars gets more sales. Principles of product listing. These are the principles which a seller should follow, which is related to title, bullet points, product description, enhanced brand content. This consists of information, communication, and presentation. We'll see one by one. Information is the seller should provide all the necessary information which can motivate a buyer to take the buying decision. The buyer should get the exact idea about your product. He should be satisfied with the description or the features which a seller has mentioned on the Amazon page. Half information is not going to work on Amazon because the buyer won't get the exact information and it might affect his buying decision. Next point, communication, advantages and benefits. A seller should highlight the benefits and USPs of an article in the description. How do your product's features help potential buyers? How exactly do they benefit from them? How your product stands different from other products, other competitors? How the buyer will get benefit if he purchases your product? These advantages or benefits should be mentioned in the description or key features part of your product. And lastly, presentation. The overall presentation and structure the information should be in such a way that customers can receive it quick and easy. He should understand the product features, the offers, price, and the utility of the product easily by just reading the description and key features and obviously the title. Moving ahead with optimizing product images. The first thing the customer looks at is the images of a product. Thus, they have a high priority for the CTR and CR, click-through rate and conversion rate. Amazon had such some of the criteria for submitting the images of the products. The main image, relevant for CTR and CR. The main image may only represent the core product and must absolutely comply with the minimum requirements of Amazon. Especially Amazon asks for a white background and a product should fill up 85% of the image frame. The product needs to be attractive easily recognizable, and well lit. In the right side, you can see some additional images relevant for conversion rate. You have more flexible design options with additional images. Use them to highlight the distinguishing features of a product. Some important examples are different angles, usage and benefits, embedding in the environment, lifestyle and social interaction, proportions, spatial features and benefits, details, and packaging. Let's see the example in the right side, additional images. It has one close-up image, which is showing the upper part of the product. Second image, middle image, it's showing that this trimmer is washable. You can wash it under the tap. This is the additional benefit of this trimmer. A user will definitely think that if this trimmer is washable, if we can wash it under the water and it still works, that means I should buy this. So it is a USP for that particular product, that is trimmer. Third thing, you can see the box with the product image on it. It is really attractive packaging. These images motivates the buyer to buy the particular product because it describes how your product is good, how your product stands different from other products. So images should be properly optimized. Images should be in high quality so that it can be seen clearly by the buyer, and additional images should contain these additional information like accessories, packaging, and utilities of the product. Customer reviews. There are two parts of customer reviews. One is amount, second is stars. Amount is that how many customers or buyers have submitted the reviews for that particular product, and stars shows their happiness or satisfaction towards that product. At the right side, you can see the screenshot. Here, 132 people have shared their reviews, and the average average satisfaction level is 4.2. 72% people have given 5 stars, 14% people have given 4 stars, and 3 to 1 respectively, 6%, 3%, and 5%. You can increase your number of reviews in various ways. In general, a customer's willingness to submit a review increases with excellent customer service. Reviews not only have the power to influence consumer decisions, but can strengthen a company's credibility. Reviews have the power to gain customer trust, and they encourage people to interact with the company. Customer interaction ultimately leads to improved profit for the business. Implement continuous review management to maintain a high product review score. You should, in particular, comment on negative customer reviews. It is not necessary that each and every buyer will get 100% satisfaction with your product. If anyone comments negatively, we have to see why that customer is unhappy, and we should solve his problem as being a seller so that he will definitely be happy and will give us a good review. So converting a bad review into a good one is also a part of this selling job on Amazon. There are lots of other things to generate a review after purchasing a product. There are lots of tools which we can use for marketing automation, like email marketing. You can send an email to the customer after buying a product so that you can motivate him to submit a review on your product page. Questions and answers. The questions that customers can ask on the product page are just as important. Customers often ask about specific details of the application or other information they can't find on the product page. Sometimes it happens on that limited space on the page, the seller can't place all the details or the utilities of that particular product. So in such case, customers can ask the questions in this question and answer section. Sellers, vendors, and other customers can answer questions. Sellers and vendors should address unanswered questions regularly to ensure that customers receive correct answers. If you neglect any question as being a seller, you might lose one buyer. Doing so will also improve the information content of the product page. The questions often point to larger information gaps, which can now be added to the description. Being a seller or vendor, you can easily analyze what kind of information buyers are searching about your product. With the help of this question answer part of the Amazon page, if you go through it thoroughly, you will understand what kind of description you need to add on your product page. These are some Amazon strategies for better product listing. A seller should have in-depth product knowledge. In-depth product analysis should be done. Competitor listing analysis for focused keyword list, what your competitors are selling and what kind of keywords they are submitting to the Amazon, which keywords have the most search volume. So we have to analyze competitors keywords too. Creating feed content designed to drive clicks and ranking. As we have discussed earlier, the content, description, title should be designed effectively to drive clicks and ranking. We should build powerful titles description which ensures maximum reach and conversion. We should design key features of the product which emphasizes on key selling points or unique selling points. We should add and remove items from listing and descriptions. And if we update our product, it should be uploaded on the same product page. Uploading new feed updates in products. If you are adding some new products or updating the existing products, it should be updated on Amazon too, so that a buyer will get the proper information about the availability of your product and the correct information which he is searching for. So we have done with our presentation. If anyone has any questions, please raise your hand in the chat so I can see. So no one has raised the hand till now. So I hope you have learned something new with this presentation. Our next webinar topic will be promoting your products on Amazon, advertising and promoting your products on Amazon, how to do it, what factor we should consider while promoting our products. That information will be shared through our next webinar. So here, thank you for your participation. It was really nice to share this information with you. If you have any queries or any requirement related to Amazon product listing, you can reach us at the contact info shown on the screen. You can reach us by Skype, email. You can reach us through our website or the telephone numbers which we have mentioned on this current screen. Victor have asked what kind of services does Vidushi offers regarding e-commerce. Victor, I would like to tell you that we have expertise with us who are continuously serving in e-commerce industry, Shopify, Amazon, eBay, Walmart. We are offering right from creating account to review management. These are our these all are our key responsible areas. We do, as today we have discussed, we do optimization of your product listings. We analyze the sales, click-through rate, conversion rate, and we have different plans for every e-commerce segment. We have different plans, different packages for Amazon. We have different packages for eBay. We have different packages for Shopify. We have different packages for Walmart too. So if you have any requirement, please reach us at the given email address or Skype address. We will share all the necessary information with you about the packages, details, and which services we are going to provide with those packages. So I hope I have answered your question. We'll be waiting for your response on email. Again, winding up the session. This is Saurabh signing off, and have a great time ahead. Wish you a very happy and healthy and safe life. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye bye.